Welcome to the StatTree Video Help module for working with command prompts. To run tests on your data in Julia, Python, or R, you have to be comfortable with command prompts. Fortunately, the open source scientific and programming communities have developed specialized integrated development environments that ease the use of the command prompt. For demonstrations in StatTree, Visual Studio Code is being used for running Julia scripts. Here is an example of the data import script for the Julia language in the editing pane. See the Julia command prompt in the terminal console below. Likewise, Spyder is being used for running Python scripts. Similar to VS Code, Spyder has different panes for editing scripts, along with terminal console pane. In the editing window is the data import script for the Python language. The Python command prompt is in the terminal console on the bottom right. RStudio is the IDE being used for running R scripts. The RStudio IDE looks slightly different from VS Code and Spyder, but you will notice it has separate panes for code editing and terminal console. In the editing window is the data import script for the R language. Both R and Python code can be run directly from a terminal console. RStudio has an additional feature, different from VS Code for Julia and Spyder for Python, which allows you to import data directly through a menu system in its graphical user interface, similar to other GUI programs demonstrated in StatTree, such as SPSS, SAS, and Stata. Stata allows the user to import using the menu system or by running code directly, as shown here. SAS also allows for both menu-driven importing as well as running scripts directly. Even SPSS, which leans heavily on its menu GUI, allows for running scripts. If you are new to any of these GUI programs or programming IDEs, first watch the Importing Data videos from the Help section of stattree.com.